Hello, and welcome to this very special video. It is a DKD. It is probably a DKD right now. Descent Ki Dukaan, in case you have forgotten that we used to be a show before one of my co-hosts was going to jail. So I have gotten a co-host and I have gotten someone who this channel has been asking for a while. Please say hello to our friend Dr. Medusa, who's not in jail, so therefore she's here. And then there is, of course, not Dr. Vimo, who was
Dr.
in
Medusa and patient
sannyas.
Vimo.
And it looks like, Vimo, it's my job to bring you out of sannyas from time to time now, because
Yeah.
तू तो खुद के चैनल छोड़ के चला गया, and now people come on my channel and they're
ये
like,
मेरा
Vimo
चैनल चल
किधर
रहा है रे,
गया?
मैं हफ्ते में पिछले हफ्ते मैंने 5 वीडियो डाले अपने यूट्यूब चैनल पे. आई जस्ट नॉट लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग एनीमोर.
That doesn't
No,
cut
but
it.
people, I started watching you for live streaming only.
Yeah.
दैट्स ट्रू.
So people watch your live streaming only.
बट आई वाज टेलिंग
As
लाइक
in they watch
दैट
the
शॉर्ट
videos
व्हाइल अगो.
also, but they watch the
लाइव
videos
स्ट्रीमिंग
also.
से मैं नहीं निकल गया, लाइव स्ट्रीम मेरे अंदर से निकल गई. लाइक आई एम
Live
seriously
That
like
sounded
it
so
took a lot
wrong.
out of me.
Oh.
I'm fucked.
Stop it, guys. Stop it.
Yeah.
Stop it.
Hmm.
हाँ डिसेंट की दुकान चलाते चलाते दुकानदार अंदर होने वाला था.
हाँ, दुकानदार अंदर बोले था,
बस वो जो
बट
डिसेंट है वो DISSENT DECENT है, कभी नहीं जाएगा.
DSCNT हो गया था अभी.
इंडिसेंट की दुकान हो गया था.
so
Yeah.
Dr. Medusa is partially back. I won't say
Yes.
she's fully back because don't like right now, don't. We are just going to like talk about what happened. Again, I don't know how much she's allowed to talk or not talk. So
Even I am not very clear about how much I'm allowed to talk and how much I'm not.
just in case, रुक जा, मुझे
Yeah.
एक बात बोलनी थी. Just in case, जज साहब, अगर आप देख रहे होंगे ये वीडियो, तो प्लीज समझिए हम बहुत नॉलेजेबल नहीं है. लाइक आई मीन वी डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लीगली टू मच ऑल्सो. वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू कंट्रोल
Yeah.
Medusa,
Yeah.
right? I'm going to try my best to edit the video later also. But inadvertently, if someone else takes offense and files an FIR again, मुझे दूर रखना, विमो को दूर रखना. Okay, like this is your lady.
किस पे करना
She's
कार्रवाई?
already gone through this. You've already seen her now. You're friends with her.
Yeah.
So please.
ये अगर अच्छा दोस्त होता ना, ये बोलता है कि मेडुसा को कुछ नहीं करना, हमें लेना है तो ले लो.
नहीं, it's okay. I'm okay. मुझे नहीं
हाँ,
चाहिए.
okay. मुझे नहीं चाहिए ऐसी दोस्ती. हाँ मेरी दोस्ती यहाँ तक.
Yeah, I can fundraise to help Medusa and all
Yeah.
you fighter people. Amazing FIR जिसको होता है उसको
Yes.
मैं
मैं
legal
जेल में
help.
केक लेकर आऊंगा.
Yeah.
No, but the thing is, the judiciary has kind of had my back.
Yeah.
So
Oh.
I am extremely thankful. Because you know the thing is, I was during the whole thing I was thinking about this कि यार कोर्ट के अलावा तो और कोई चारा नहीं है ना, because we are not गुंडास, we are not, ऐसा तो है नहीं हम लोग के पास मतलब किसी से प्रेशर दिलवा कर या कोई बैक हैंडेड एली से कुछ काम करवा कर आप इस चीज से निकलने की कोशिश करो. We don't. We are like law abiding people who think that the law is going to help you, and that is the last resort that we have, and that's also the last resort that I was forced to go and take. But it kind of has had my back, and I'm extremely grateful for the people who are, I don't know, probably left in judiciary at this moment. So just like you know, I'm very thankful to them, and this is a breather, the anticipatory bail which has been granted to me. That's a breather for me. And जैसा कि मैं अभी थोड़ी देर पहले भी I was saying that, you know, what happens is when such a thing happens to you, when something like this happens to you, you realize the extent of power that you are actually facing. Whenever people would call me and say that nahi, this is an extremely brave thing that you are doing, it's extremely, you know, important that you are doing this, you are so brave, you have so much courage, and so on and so forth, I would always think that exactly what is brave in what I'm doing, because I'm just, you know, I have just picked up a camera, I'm just making videos, and I'm making videos about things which should be extremely valid and obvious to everyone. If something is going wrong, and if I'm talking about something going wrong, I think that should be obvious to everyone. If somebody is like, if there is an entire community in your country which is being discriminated against, an entire community is being villainized, and you are speaking against the villainization of that community, of the Muslim community, and people, इतना है कि मुसलमान बोलने में लोग डरते हैं, ठीक है? कि उसमें आप अगर बोल रहे हो तो आप कौन like this is a very normal thing that you are doing, right? It should be the responsibility and the and things which should be done by everyone. So I would never realize why they would call it brave or why they would call it courageous. But right now, when if I'm like putting myself thoda separately as like looking at it from a like a third person from the outside, it's like it's not even a David Goliath situation because it's huge. Goliath is huge, okay? It's not even like it's like 100 Goliaths together. The system is so big. It's so big and it's so widespread कि कहाँ कहाँ से कितना कितना कैसे कैसे आप पर प्रेशर बनाने की कोशिश की जाती है. You have no idea.
Yeah.
Okay. So when so maybe that is why it becomes courageous, because the amount of pressure that you face and you still choose, if you still choose to walk this path, I think
That would be real bravery.
that will because
No,
I
I agree with you because the see the thing is I'm a lot more careful online because of my past experiences with the law, with the system as you put it, or with like threats, trolling, FIRs. FIR तो नहीं हुआ है fortunately. Cases, defamation cases, whatever. I think it wisens you up a little bit and you start choosing your battles more carefully.
unfortunately probably hasn't wizened me up.
This is
If that was possible at all.
That's why I gave the disclaimer. No, like I knew.
Personally,
I knew.
don't think I have become wiser because I think the primary like have you guys seen the movie Inside Out? And Inside Out में there is दिमाग में वो नहीं होते हैं. The emotions have these different personalities and all.
Yeah,
There is
yeah.
anger, there is depression, there is la la la. I think the person which is constantly the emotion which is constantly at my driving seat in my driving seat is anger. And it's not even anger. It's like not the red version. It's like the scarlet version, like the rage version. And when that happens, there are a lot of things you are very blinded by a lot of things, and then you say a lot of things out just like because you want to and because you want to use anger. And I think that's a weakness also, because that's what they end up using against you ultimately. So I know I should be wizened up. I know I should be, and I will be more careful. I will be. I promise I will be. But I don't know if it's gonna like help a lot. But yeah, but like I said, if they want to get you, they will get you. Because when I say the system or when I say the state, when I say the state or the system, I would never mean a political party. Right now, there is one political party. There is one, it is one organization, the BJP, which is the ruling political party. They are the ones who are using this to their own benefit, but ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको दूसरे political parties ने use नहीं किया है.
नहीं,
Yes, so that's why I'm using the state. So it goes beyond. The state right now has people who are coincidentally following the same ideology. Either it's the ideology of a religion or the ideology of greed. क्योंकि greed is what drives everything, right? अगर ideology भी है तो ideology में भी greed कहीं ना कहीं है. So that greed is driving everything. तो उस वजह से कुछ जो लोग हैं जो इस सत्तारूढ़ पार्टी में अभी हैं, उनका जो system चल रहा है, that is hunting down people like me who are doing dissent. So that's why I'm using the word system or state. In case you thought that I got scared. And that's why I'm not using it.
That is like a wise thing to do, right? To criticize a single political party that is in power is a band-aid. Because it's a band-aid. It's a temporary thing, right?
Yeah.
If you're raising awareness, like this is like how people say कि तुम किसी को एक मछली दे दोगे तो उसको एक दिन का खाना मिल जाएगा, और मछली पकड़ना सिखा दोगे तो they have taken care of for their entire life. So to say that this party is wrong or that party is wrong is a temporary solution, because these parties won't be there forever. Some other parties will come and they might also do the same. So the suspicion that we should have towards the powerful should always be directed towards the state.
Absolutely.
Because otherwise you give the idea that this party is the problem, you get rid of them, everything will be hunky-dory. No.
Correct.
When these guys came to power, उससे पहले भी situation कई बार खराब हुई है.
It's actually interesting you say that, because like मुझे ना, when I was fighting the elections also, I realized this, because the point that I was trying to make through that Project Anda was that independent candidates cannot stand the elections even if they want to. I mean, you can try, but at the same time the party system itself is a problem right now. And I wanted to sort of talk about that, raise awareness. It's really unfortunate though, like when the elections got closer, like and whatever, it obviously became all about parties and whatever and jo bhi tha. It's like become like our default at this point of time ki you're on this team or that team, but it doesn't matter honestly. It's like the entire system is kind of shitty. But Medusa, tell me something. How are you emotionally placed right now? Like, I mean, you've gone through a lot
Yeah.
over the last month.
वो
Lots
जो
of
स्कारलेट एंगर वाला इमोशन है वो अभी सो रहा है.
no, but I think one of the
That's
things
case हो गया.
it's like as a creator I understand this because and especially as a creator who sort of likes to challenge things
Yeah.
and norms and whatever. For a month you were not able to do that, and that might have been torture for you. Like, other than the code stuff.
It was so bad. It was so bad because I was like, so much was happening, and every time these guys would be like, especially when the census was announced, the caste census. My mind was blown, and I cannot tell you how I have stopped myself. I literally gave my phone away to people to keep it locked. कि मेरे को मत दो. Because if you give it to me, I'm going to post something. Because it was so bad. It was so bad. And I recorded myself on my Galaxy, my tab, which does not have 3D, which does not have the phone wala connection. So that it does not have internet, basically. Okay. So I recorded myself having my like absolutely raw reactions to the caste census when the caste census was announced. I was like, do you realize something which these guys have opposed for the longest of time to what इतना मेरा मतलब एकदम full on conspiracy theory चल रहा था उस time पे, but basically so that happened, and there were other things also which had happened at that point at during this entire month. Things have happened.
Can I give a message? Wait, just a
Yeah.
second. Elon Musk, if you're watching this, I think you just got a tip from Dr. Medusa. Take your phone, lock it away into a safe sometimes. Maybe you don't have to tweet everything. This advice goes to a lot of people I know.
Yeah.
Imagine if Elon Musk succeeds in putting that brain chip in everyone's head, Medusa
Yeah.
would have no, like, गुस्सा आया मतलब automatically
Neuralink.
post हो गया.
Oh my god, yeah. like
सर मर्डर फैंटेसी माइंड में आया, वीडियो बन के चला गया Instagram.
I basically
नहीं मेरे दिमाग में Neuralink डाले. Neuralink will be fried within like probably 2 hours.
I do not want to enter Medusa's head. I don't
Huh?
want to enter Medusa's head. It would be like entering a typhoon and a
It will be
tornado and an
confusing. I don't
earthquake
think
at the
it will be
same
that bad.
time.
It will be
What is
confusing a
happening?
little
कहाँ
bit.
से कहाँ जा रहा है कुछ नहीं पता
Yeah.
चलेगा.
I would love to enter Vimo's head though. That
Me too, man. Me
Yeah.
too.
Like a
Me too.
glacier
You'll
it
find
must
a
be.
desert. I'll tell you what you'll find.
Yeah.
It'll be a desert with
Huh.
a stormy sky, but no rains, and gigantic human beings are slow motion walking across the horizon.
I was thinking not
Always.
gigantic human beings, but gigantic robots. I was like, my thinking
Something
was
like that.
probably
Something like
robots.
giant, biological, yeah.
Yeah, the gigantic robots, and I will be like walking. So that'll be a very like shant place to be. Like no air. Also, air is also not moving. उतने type का. Anyway, so all of that shit was happening, and I was not able to say anything. So I have recorded myself ranting in front of the laptop because at these points of time I would be like, "Nee, please take away my phone. I can't be trusted with my phone." So yeah. So I did that. Right now, if I have to answer your question, what am I doing? How am I doing emotionally? I think I'm pretty good because you know what? Something very interesting happened because you always think about these things happening, right? You always think about being persecuted by the state, and especially with the kind of work that we are doing. And I would always say that there was एक time पे हम लोग आजादी के लिए जब हम लोग हमारे हिंदुस्तानी लोग लड़ रहे थे, तो आजादी के लिए लड़ रहे थे उस टाइम पे. आज की डेट में दूसरी तरीके की लड़ाई है, तो दूसरी तरीके के वॉरियर्स हैं. एंड आई वुड ऑलवेज pump myself up कि नहीं मैं अच्छा काम कर रही हूँ, मैं सही काम कर रही हूँ. I'm like, because I've had this dilemma a number of times, like if what am I doing is what I am doing even making a difference, and so on and so forth. ये सब तो दिमाग में चलता ही रहता है. So during this time, what I realized the first thing I realized was, yes, what I am doing is making a difference. If I was not making a difference, they would not have been so riled up. पहली बात तो
That's
ये.
true. That's very true. Yeah.
So it was very validating for me कि
Yeah.
नहीं तुम जो काम कर रही हो वो काम जगह पर पहुंच रहा है. So that was one thing. And the second thing was कि whenever you always think that कि हो सकता है हमारे साथ भी ऐसा हो तो हम ऐसा कर देंगे, हम तो ऐसा कर देंगे, हम वो कर देंगे, हम this कर देंगे, हम that कर देंगे. You think of yourself in these different terms. Like sometimes it is exalted, sometimes it is big. I kind of realized that when all of this was happening, I realized I was not very scared. I was
You're not very scared.
yeah, I was
just
not
about to ask.
very
Yeah.
scared. I was not very scared. It was scary, yes, but was it scary enough for me to think कि नहीं अब और नहीं करना, नहीं अब और नहीं कर सकते, बस हो गया, अब नहीं कर सकते, हो गया बस इतना जितना था हो गया. Was it as scary as that? No, I don't think so. So and when I realized that, okay, so I was like, so you come to terms with who you are as a person, right? So I do not have these grand ideas about me कि मैं तो ये कर दूंगी, मैं तो वो कर दूंगी, मैं तो this कर दूंगी type से. But I know that if at all something like this happens again, I will be able to stand my ground.
Yeah, that's
And-
important. That's
Yeah.
absolutely, because I've found that most of the time, like I've spoken to like a lot of people who have been persecuted or have had like state action against them,
Yeah.
etc. Especially people like my ex-bosses, MPs who were in jail during the emergency and people like that. So I was asking them, like what was it like when when the state is coming after you with their entire might, right?
Yeah.
And you seem like particularly targeted, and they were like, people just got angrier. Like it's like
Yeah.
people who went to jail, they came out, they got angrier,
Yeah.
and they were like, or 10 times I'm going to fight now. It's
Yeah.
like screw
Yeah.
you. Ab to aur
Yeah.
zyada karenge. So
Yeah.
it had the opposite effect, right? If you ignore, so I was wondering if you were ignored, for example, most of the time, like which is the, I feel like they would, I don't know, they gave you a lot of notoriety.
They did.
Yeah,
They
like
kind of did.
the newspapers were
It was not,
reporting
but
about
I
you.
wouldn't have got this kind of attention had they just ignored me.
Yep.
Yeah.
I did just
Streisand effect.
कोई
Streisand
कोई
effect,
हाँ
yeah.
it's a Streisand effect. It's like ठीक है मेरे को पहले डर क्या रहता था कि people would know my name and people would know where I work and so on and so forth. I didn't want that information out because of the fact that I work in an academic environment, and I did not want this personality and this side of what I do overshadowing my academic work at my workplace, right? So that's why I was not the one who was using my own name. But then it was like the other side which revealed everything. Like this is her and this is where she works and doxed me and so on and so forth. It's like,
Oh, that Amar Ujala headline you sent me was so funny. Do you want
and
to?
like now I won't live in fear of me being doxed all the time, right? So
Yeah.
that's one thing out of my mind.
Yeah, yeah.
So people know who I am.
तेरा तो
people know
number
where
भी
I
leak हो
work.
गया ना?
हाँ,
Number leak हो गया.
अरे सब. So I was getting a number of calls from different numbers on WhatsApp. I don't know why, but I didn't get many calls on my normal call wala number. A lot of calls were coming on WhatsApp with +63 +74 ऐसा करके like all of these plus numbers. Okay. So I didn't pick anyone up because Pegasus
हाँ,
का डर था
obviously.
मेरे को.
Yeah.
And then it became too much actually. तो फिर मेरे को वो WhatsApp अपना वो करना पड़ा. बंद
Like you
करना
didn't talk to anyone who was threatening
No.
you or anything.
No.
Are good, huh? So like
No,
basically,
no. That didn't happen.
हाँ,
That
हाँ.
didn't happen. But then there were things which were written on Twitter and ये
हाँ,
by some-
messages भी आए होंगे फिर मतलब like,
messages तो Twitter पे तो मेरा inbox भरा
वो
पड़ा
तो
है.
obviously हाँ.
वो तो Twitter में inbox भरा पड़ा हुआ है, Twitter में, Instagram में भी, and there were posts on Twitter about asking the university for my termination and tagging every single tweet which was done was tagging Yogi Adityanath and the office and so on and so forth. So that was there. So that was and the
Noob Master is saying that's because WhatsApp calls are not recordable in the device. Oh, is that interesting? Oh, maybe.
Oh.
Oh, because
End-to-end, right? End-to-end encryption.
no, but like if you turn on the in phone recorder, does it not work? I didn't know that.
never
I've never
tried it.
tried. I've never tried it either.
I never have done any voice call recording anyway, so I don't even know any of these things if they
Maybe.
exist.
Hmm.
तो लेकिन वैसे अगर कोई रिकॉर्ड करना चाहे तो कर सकता है। आप व्हाट्सएप में आप कॉल पे वो स्पीकर में ऑन करो, दूसरे फोन में रिकॉर्ड कर लो, इसमें क्या है? ऐसा
हाँ, वो तो करते हैं लोग, रील वगैरह बनाते रहते हैं।
हाँ, तो वो सब तो हो ही जाएगा। But then
There is
that's not the
a
point.
question
Point is,
from-
and also like I want to make one thing very clear. Like as far as the state level या फिर वो persecution जो हम लोग जिसकी बात हम लोग कर रहे थे ना, जो लोगों के साथ जो for example जो जेल जाते हैं या फिर जो उमर है, we don't even have to go any further. Like just look at Umar, just look at Gulfisha. ठीक है, मेरे पे तो 1% भी नहीं हुआ है। मेरा 1% is even nothing. I have led a very comfortable life so far, touch wood, and even this thingy has also been very. I have been able to handle it with my family, with my husband, with people I love. All of them have been extremely supportive as far as this is concerned. तो ये भी मेरे को जितना मतलब जिसको कहते हैं ना कि आप पे स्टेट का प्रेशर है या फिर स्टेट आपको हाउंड करने की कोशिश कर रही है, वो तो मेरे साथ उतना भी नहीं हुआ है। This is nothing. So and this is nothing, किसी और उम्र तक भी जाने की जरूरत नहीं है। You just look at नेहा सिंह राठौर पे इसी स्टेट में यूपी में 500
same time, right? Like you, then she had a FIR.
exact same timeline पे उस पर 500 there are 500 complaints which were registered against her. She has 14 FIRs. 14 है या 11 या 14 दोनों में से एक नंबर है। 14 FIRs registered against her. ठीक है, तो मैं अपनी ही कंपैरिजन नेहा से ही करती हूँ, तो भी मेरे पे बहुत कम हुआ है जितना नेहा पे हुआ है। I have 2 FIRs.
2 FIRs.
But so इसीलिए again this might sound extremely grandiose when I'm talking about how I'm not as scared as I should have been. Maybe I will be at another point
But
of life.
it's interesting, no, because you'll always compare. Like I know, like because I know, like we have spoken about Umar so many times, and we know about Neha and our friend ranting Gola, जिसको already FIRs हो चुके हैं, and like her.
Like I think उस पे भी 18-19 ऐसे कुछ है।
बहुत हो चुके हैं। नागपुर से लेके somewhere else, like she's gotten like FIRs. And like also when in News Laundry we had like reporters who had like people who were getting FIR'd all the time. You always end up comparing, right?
Yeah.
Achha, so who did the state go after hardest? I feel like at this point Umar Khalid, nobody can beat him right now.
Nobody can beat him.
Yeah. So actually Stan Swami and people were also there, which is like the worst case scenario.
Worst case scenarios.
Yeah.
Umar has age on his side, but then उस age में से भी 6 साल तो निकल चुके हैं।
Yeah.
6 साल तो जेल में ही है वो।
Pranshu is saying, as a fellow Assamese, I'm filled with a sense of pride by everything Medusa stands for. Also, Anju was asking a very important question. She's worried if it got, like, your academic career, did it get affected? Like, is your job okay and everything?
But, see, the thing is, everything takes a lot of time. Lot of यहाँ पे, क्योंकि it's like this is like a thing hanging over my head. It's like a sword hanging over my head. It can be used at any point of time. So far the job is safe, but we never know if there is a particularly harsh push from the administration, then as in the state administration, then maybe the university administration might take some step. I don't know. So far, like, I'm just speculating. Nothing has happened so far, but I was already in the process of, being denied leaves and
like अलग-अलग तरीके से they will make your life difficult.
अलग-अलग तरीके से, like passive aggressive shit. But please remove the word shit from my dictionary, because since I'm a teacher I cannot use apparently shit.
Passive aggressive beep is what you heard just now.
So those things are there. लेकिन क्या है ना, देखते हैं क्या होता है, देखेंगे। वो तो अब लड़ाई शुरू हो चुकी है, आगाज हो चुका है, सबको पता चल चुका है कहाँ पे रहती है, क्या काम करती है, क्या फोन नंबर है। तो अब तो आज सामने की लड़ाई,
अब तो सिलसिला चलता रहेगा।
So I'm not saying that I'm like, later on something might not happen कि मेरे पे अगर मान लो 14-15 FIR अगर करवा देते हैं तो मेरे को डर नहीं लगेगा। Let me be very clear, डर बहुत लगता है। ठीक है, बहुत डर लगता है, खासकर जब आप अपने से आप प्यार करते हो, उनकी शक्लें देखते हो ना, तो बहुत ज्यादा डर लगता है, उदासी भी होती है, लगता है कि कहाँ फंसा दिया इन लोगों को। बेकार कहाँ फंसा दिया. And most importantly, the thing is, us, all of us, we are like middle class people, right? जिंदगी में police station देखा नहीं होगा, right? And then अचानक से you have these people, you are like speaking to police officers and so on and so forth, and आपको तो let me be very 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 honest, and most importantly नौकरी. अपने पास कोई, मेरे पास, like for me at least, Meghnad has YouTube, Vimo also has YouTube. I have a job. My YouTube does not pay me anything. It is demonetized a long time ago. उसके बाद monetization हुआ भी है, तो भी it's like I have not put anything up for a couple of months, so इसलिए there is no monetary benefit from YouTube. I don't earn from Twitter. I don't earn from Instagram. The only source of my earning is my job. So when you threaten, and this is also one of the things because of which I used to, I make videos so आराम से, because I'm like, मेरे को किसी का पैसा चाहिए नहीं, political पैसा मुझे चाहिए नहीं. मेरी अपनी नौकरी है, मैं अपनी नौकरी का कमाती हूँ, अपनी मेहनत से कमाई हुई मेरी नौकरी है, उस पैसे का, जो पैसा मुझे सैलरी मुझे हक का मिलता है, उससे मुझे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं चाहिए. So that thing is there, but then when there is a threat of that being taken away, then that was a big deal. So
That's a major threat.
That's a major thing. That's a major threat. And the only thing in this whole scenario which I was the most scared about was something happening to my job. That was like, I'll be very very frank.
Yeah.
तो वो मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा उस चीज का डर था. But यही ना, जो मैं कह रही हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं है कि डर नहीं लगता, डर बहुत लगता है.
No, because honestly, like, I mean, I don't know if this is a thing, but if you got convicted at some point, then that would give them a reason to actually take your job away, right?
Yes, that's
like, fortunately नहीं हुआ. Fortunately, anticipatory bail ही मिल गया. But yeah, chat, please ask questions if you have any for Medusa, and Vimo also, please.
Yes.
If you want to say something.
Patient Vimo.
Patient
Dr.
Vimo.
Patient Vimo.
No, I'm just listening because I have wanted to hear from Medusa for quite some time about what all went on, because even we didn't get a chance to talk while all this was on, because she was not speaking with anyone. You guys know that when Meghnad did the fundraiser, he didn't even tell Medusa because we were not.
I didn't know how to contact her, but I thought
And
that
I
she
was
would need money, so I was like, "Beko my paisa."
If I send her money, she will call me.
Yeah.
Which I didn't. I still didn't call him.
No. Yeah. No, but honestly, like, it was like I thought that one thing she will need is legal help, because I know this has happened to other people. It's like कि lawyer पैसा मांगने वाला है कभी तो भी, so let's just like see if we can contribute. But हाँ, go on, Vimo.
नहीं, वही बोल रहा था मैं. I wanted to hear from her. And it's,
So नहीं, मैं बोल रही थी ना, जो मैं basically the thing is, I met like, this is going to sound very very corny, but I met myself because आपको लगता है कि आप किसी situation में कैसे react करोगे, but when the actual situation comes, you do not react that way, and sometimes it's a fight or flight response. I kind of have a little bit of more respect for myself because I don't really. Sometimes I like imposter syndrome and everything, but then the thing is, I kind of like कि ठीक है, ऐसा हुआ मेरे साथ, और मैं एकदम टूट के बिखर नहीं गई, ठीक है, और एकदम मतलब नहीं सब खत्म हो गया, सब ये हो गया, एकदम चुप के बैठ जाओ कोने में, वो वाला भी मेरा फीलिंग नहीं आया. Yes, I had to, the lawyers like एकदम चुप रहिए आप कुछ दिनों के लिए, शांत हो जाइए, और we'll see what happens later on.
Like, was there something entertaining about how they told you to not do anything because they were afraid that you might?
No.
They called up your family and
हाँ, वो तो
please
था ही, वो था because my husband, every time something happens, my husband and I, when we talk about it, he gets extremely worried कि ये कुछ और बोल देगी, कुछ और हो जाएगा, so he would call the lawyer, and the lawyer would call me like, सुनिए मैडम, आप ना अभी शांत रहिए, मुझे देख लेने दीजिए, थोड़ा मैं assess कर लेता हूँ situation कैसा है कैसा नहीं है, so on and so forth. So let me assess the situation and then I will let you know. So I would be like very anxiously waiting for the lawyer to call me, but then he's like, no, nothing doing.
Which is why I also like on WhatsApp I told you, remember, जैसे दिन खबर आई हो गया, मैंने बोला 2 दिन wait कर लो.
हाँ.
Like wait for all this, just see what the reaction is going to be.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
No,
Yeah,
but I was also like, so I think because she got doxxed or whatever, she turned off her phone, right? And I was not able to talk to her. I was like constantly like texting her and there was no response. वो टिक भी नहीं होता था. Then I was like freaking out कि ये चली गई जेल, फिर किसी ने मुझे बताया नहीं अभी तक. So I was frantically trying to call people.
Yeah. Switched off my One, because a lot of newspaper wale, guys, I don't want to call them journalists, but then a lot of them were calling me people who write for newspapers. Okay, they were calling me, and then शुरुआत में मैंने कुछ लोगों से बात की थी, and then they put it in an extremely weird
Yeah.
way, which I absolutely hated.
Like what? Like what?
वो ना जब the thing is there was one, I remember one headline very clearly कि विवाद, the whole thing about विवादित बयान. They kept using the word विवाद. किसने विवाद किया, किसको, who is
Like controversial.
like विवादित बयान में, like who is creating this you have to see, no, it's not controversial, it's a controversy which has been created. If as a newspaper you're not able to make that difference or even put vivadit within quotes, then I kind of don't have any respect for it.
तथाकथित with विवादित
है ना?
बयान.
So, I don't really have any and then I was very unhappy with the way they again, but then Ravish कहते भी
That's
तो
the
है.
point, right? The point is that the reason social media is good
Yes.
is because you don't have to go through media as a mode of getting your message out there.
Yes.
But
Yes.
then the reason you got into Tathakathit Vivad was because of social media only.
Yeah, it was, but then again, उनके साथ तो a lot of them were calling me, but then when the things that I was telling them, they were not kind of reporting them the same way on in the paper.
Like they were misquoting or selectively quoting?
Not misquoting, just it was not the same tone.
Of course not. Yeah.
In which I was speaking, because I have known these people, right? I was speaking to them normally, आराम से. क्या रे भैया, आपको तो पता ही है क्या हो रहा है, ये वो चीज़ है. But then they wouldn't
Friend,
say that, or they wouldn't. That would
remind
not
me, I have to give you some media training after this, like about how to talk to journalists.
Okay, yeah, please, you have to.
No,
because
but honestly,
I
like it's a
don't have-
skill. Like I
Yeah.
also learnt it the hard way. This happened to me where one of my sort of acquaintance / friends, I had met like this reporter a bunch of times in like social occasions, etc. Suddenly, he's doing a story, right? On I believe it was like around the not in my name protest हुआ था ना, like whatever जो था. So I had written an article or something in News Laundry which was sort of kind of criticizing it, but kind of like giving a picture of what is happening. It was very tone deaf, I get it. But that person called me and I'm talking to him like a friend. So he totally took that and did a story. I was like, boss, you can't do that. I thought you were my friend. And it's like, no, I was doing my job. I called you for a story. You should understand these things. If you wanted to talk to me like a friend, you should have said off the record. Off the
Oh,
record.
yeah.
ये quote
Okay.
मत करना. You have to tell me what to quote or not. Otherwise, I will quote everything. I'm like, dude, yeah, I should think about this more. But yeah.
Yeah, off the record is important.
Yeah. But yeah, sorry, go on. Interrupt.
नहीं वही है तो, but basically I was not very happy with them. So then so a lot of people were calling me. So मेरे को लगा यार मेरे को बात ही नहीं करनी, because मेरे को पता है या तो मेरे को आ नहीं रहा बात करना, like the one you said, or they have no intention of calling a spade a spade. You call it a spade. No, I'm a university professor. I am being hounded for a tweet which was completely went over the heads of people who got offended by it. ठीक है? So,
no, they deliberately twisted it and
No one was offended. Honestly, to be honest, no one was offended.
yeah, no one was offended. Yeah, that's what I
Offend
agree.
होने का नौटंकी करके किसी को victimize करना है. That is the whole thing.
So if you can't see it, and if you see it, you don't have the guts to report it. If you don't have the guts to report it, why are you asking me? मेरे से क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
I have a connected question, Dr. Medusa. Now that you have gone through this, like maybe you can solve this mystery for me. So the people who file these FIRs, right, against people like you, right, which is like they saw like this tweet and video or whatever. They again, as Vimo said, not offensive, but they decided to take offense, go to the police, file it. Are they doing this for notoriety? मतलब like there is this like an incentive system within the BJP at this point of time कि तुम अगर FIR फाइल करोगे और किसी का लाइफ बर्बाद कर दोगे तो फिर you will get promoted in the party?
I don't know. I don't have the information about the inner workings of this party. I know how their IT cell works.
No, because I thought that you were going through all of this, so you must have heard things now based on like whoever filed the FIR and everything.
I have heard. I definitely have heard things. But again, I will not talk about that.
Meta
because-
insights they.
वही तो बोल रही हूँ मैं, insights तेरे को नहीं देगा अभी, पूछ क्यों?
क्यों?
क्योंकि the people who filed the FIRs against me have a direct access towards me vis-a-vis their role in the university system and my position in the university.
Makes
Yeah,
sense.
it was someone from the university, I think.
So I cannot say anything about their intentions because of the relationships we have, the social relationship we have as somebody who works in the university, as somebody who is a teacher, and somebody who is in the university in whatever capacity that these people are in.
No, fair.
So their position in the BJP or the ABVP or other student organizations or wherever their positions, whichever positions they might hold, that is again because of the other social relationship that they have that we have. I will not be able to comment on.
Fair enough.
But I have of course I've heard, and of course I know. So but I'll tell you later on. I'll tell you like in private.
I like this version of Medusa now. I can
I like
already
that.
see
I
you
don't
being
like it
like
though.
sense.
I do not like
Meghna
it
is like,
at all.
what is this? Restraint?
exactly what I was thinking. ये मेड्यूसा ने डिप्लोमेटिकली बोल दिया कि ये जवाब हम नहीं दे सकते.
मेडुसा का दिमाग में वो जो बर्निंग हॉट एंगर वाला है ना, वो सो रहा था, तभी बेल बजा, वो उसने खोला तो वहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट खड़ा है.
No. इस the burning hot anger वाला सो नहीं रहा, वो साइड में बहुत ही जजमेंटली देख रहा है. बहुत ही जजमेंटली इस
उसको भी रूममेट मिल गया है, who he does not like. The roommate is restraint.
Yeah. It doesn't like.
Shiroyasha
I
is
don't like
saying this
version
is
of myself.
Medusa version 2.0 bracket में hush update.
No, I don't like this version of myself or version of me myself. मैं खुद ही मेरे को पसंद नहीं है. But then the point is sometimes it's like okay.
No, I think it's a
I'm
good
gonna get
idea
very
that this
emotional.
version is there.
Listen,
because
I'm
you
gonna
should
get
have restraint given the amount of power and responsibility you have.
yes.
Like
This
it's
is
not
what-
just about your safety.
Yeah.
We can't afford to lose you to the legal system. Therefore, you should have this amount of restraint.
I should. Again, I'm going to get emotional because one of the first people whom I messaged about, not just messaged, but who like came out in support of me very, very, very publicly was Ravi sir. Ravi sir made a video, right? And when Ravi sir made a video, that was when I saw that video, that was the first and only time that I cried during this entire episode. Okay, because I was like, this is so much responsibility, and I'm such an irresponsible person to be given so much responsibility. Because he says in one sense, there's the one line towards the end where he says कि देश की लड़कियों को ये है नेहा और ये है माधुरी, देश की लड़कियों को इनके जैसा बनना चाहिए. And I was just like, man, bro, what is this? What is this?
You're like Peter Parker the wrestler. Spider-Man बनने से ठीक पहले. The court case was the death of Uncle Ben.
I cried so much, and I was like, this is, I cannot believe it. First of all, like he's like a hero for all of us, right? But then the thing is, I was like, मेरा manifestation में था कि मेरे को रवि सर के साथ काम करना है, मेरे को रवि सर के वीडियो में आना है. Like मेघनाथ was there in a video ना, जब हम लोग digital वो वाला वो कर रहे थे. मैं इतना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था. Like I also want to be there. And there उसमें मेरे background में उन्होंने फोटो लगाया था. But like मेरे को वहाँ से background से बगल वाली सीट तक आना है. But then he does this video, and I'm like, this is all you ever wanted. But then again, I'm sad also because all this shit is happening and I cannot say anything publicly. And then when I messaged him that I'm like, okay, maybe because at that point of time you were in so much dilemma, and I'm like, sir, I don't know if I'll be able to ever stay true to what the words that you have used for me, और मैं खड़ी उतर पाऊंगी कि नहीं उतर पाऊंगी ये भी मुझे नहीं पता. And he was one of the people. He wrote me this message, this beautiful message. I'll probably frame it and keep it near my bedside for the rest of my life, that this is a very, very long लड़ाई बहुत लंबी है और सामने दुश्मन बहुत बड़ा है. And every time I lose my shit, my husband always reminds me, please go and read that message one more time. Because it's like, it is, I have to remind myself, I have to choose my battles. I cannot sit and fight with some Tom, Dick and Harry from some fringe organization who decides to comment or who chooses
it's not
to
that
comment.
small anymore.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah, so who chooses to, and unfortunately for them, they are the ones who made me this big. I would have like, मैं तो ऐसे ही किसी को किसी ने बोला तेरी ऐसे कर दूंगा तेरी वैसे कर दूंगा, उसको मैं एक विटी सा रिप्लाई देके खुश हो जाती थी. वही मेरा बड़ा हाँ बढ़िया आज उसको अब सुना दिया मैंने टाइप से, बंद हो गया एकदम, आवाज बंद हो गई, मुंह बंद हो गया, कुछ नहीं बोल पाया टाइप से, यही मेरा वो था. But now I cannot spend my time. I have so much
No,
of
you know, the
responsibility and so much trust.
one thing I realized with all of this, and I think I spoke to you also the first time we spoke
Yeah.
about this. Boss, इस पे ना state resource खर्च हो रहा है. Like I know you are my friend and all. You know you are my, like I love you and all. Like we all support you and everything. But I don't like the fact that the police is spending time on you. I mean, it's not worth it, boss. Like, I mean, honestly, like, तेरे से बड़े है चीजें हो रही है दुनिया
Yeah,
में.
that is one of the things. I think somebody called me. I don't know. It was a reporter. I don't know from कहाँ से. तो बार-बार फोन कर, and then I think it was the 7th or 8th day. मैं इतना परेशान हो गई थी, and I picked up like कि भाई साहब crime कम हो गए हैं क्या? मतलब
Exactly.
यूपी में क्राइम कम हो रहा. It was not even like the fresh कि 2 दिन दूसरा दिन में तुम FIR कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो.
या मेरा टैक्स का पैसा खर्च किया तुझे
Yeah.
परेशान करने में. How offending is that? I mean,
Imagine if
like,
Meghnad makes a video in solidarity and it puts your picture and says, "You're spending money on this."
yeah, exactly. ये औरत पे like जिसको माइक भी सेटअप करना नहीं आता मेरे शो से पहले, like वीडियो का एक फ्रेम घंटा रख नहीं सकती, वो ऐसे ऐसे हिलती है तो फिर फ्रेम ऐसे ऐसे हो जाता है. इस पे वेस्ट कर रहे हो पैसा. सॉरी, हो गया.
Plot twist.
हाँ,
Police
yes,
taking
I was thinking
seriously.
कि भाई साहब क्राइम नहीं हो रहा है यूपी में.
Seriously, I mean, appropriate response. I mean, like, also, like, so, I mean, I was also wondering कि पुलिस कैसे ले लेता है ये केस? Like, I mean, पुलिस को कुछ काम नहीं है क्या और करने के लिए? It's weird.
नहीं. Let's एक second. I will be the diplomatic. What is this other person? Diplomatic emotion is back on ये the driving
Oh,
seat.
okay.
देखिए, पुलिस का काम
Restraint.
देश के नागरिकों के प्रॉब्लम्स को के बारे में सुनना है और उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करके अपनी कार्रवाई करनी है, जो कि पुलिस ने की. किन्हीं नागरिकों को मेरे किन्हीं कहीं बातों से दिक्कत हो रही थी, तो उन्होंने अपनी प्रॉब्लम जाके रखी है पुलिस के सामने और उस हिसाब से पुलिस अपनी कार्रवाई कर रही है.
Okay.
तो मुझे पुलिस से कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं है.
I like this version of you. Like, I
We're
like.
going to have to do this more.
Yeah. Exactly. It's
Like
new.
you can no longer
It's a
afford
new
to find some
feeling.
Hindi guy on Twitter, etc. You have to do this now.
No, this is exactly the thing that happened to me कि बाद में elections के बाद when people were cursing the bureaucrats, I was like, no, I'm going to come in defense of these humble, nice uncles sitting in the election commission office who are working so hard right now for the elections.
Yeah.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing.
Yeah,
It's the same thing.
यार उनका
It is
fault नहीं
the
है.
same thing because I see these are the revelations which I have had during this entire thing. So मैं कह रही थी one other thing that you realize when things like this happen, which I realized is, yes, the system is huge, and yes, the system is right now working against you. Yes. But the system is also made up of individuals. Okay. And these individuals, not all of them are bad.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, true.
And it is these individuals which come in, which give you that tiny little ray of hope, which make it livable. Even for example, in like I have spoken to people during this time who have actually been in jail during emergency and during the CAA protests and these other as well. So ये लोग जो है, इन लोगों ने हमेशा यही चीज बोली है कि जब आप it's not a wonderful place to be, it's jail for God's sake. But then when you go there and when you see the humanity in people, not just the humanities, of course you see the worst as well. दोनों चीजें ही आपको दिखने को मिलती है, but वो आप पे it's like kind of how your personality is shaped कि आप उसको किस तरीके से लेते हो, whether you take the worst of it or whether you are able to take the best of it, or again what your situation is, कैसे आप इस चीजों को, मतलब आपके साथ क्या क्या होता है उस पर भी बहुत ज्यादा डिपेंड करता है. Again, this is a very personal experience, but I also realized that there were people in every step of my confrontation with the administration and with the state, that I did meet individuals who were completely sympathetic towards what was happening to me.
Makes
And
sense.
that kind of made me realize कि हाँ आप सिस्टम को गाली दो, बिल्कुल गाली दो. सिस्टम अगर बेकार काम कर रहा है तो आपको उसको बोलना ही पड़ेगा. That is your responsibility. But yeah, there are you have to remember that there are good people. There are good people.
You know,
as well.
that's it's actually quite lovely. So, I mean, we were talking about the Nord Army and the support that you got, like on the channel as well. One thing that I realized is that the advantage of building a nice, lovely community like this. I'm talking about you, guys. By the way, I'm almost at 100K, so you better subscribe. Just saying. Anyway, I'm talking about you, whoever has subscribed and whoever has supported Medusa with money or otherwise also. Like, I mean, like in the real life, in physically, virtually, in
No,
your mind,
mentally
if you have
also. Like
supported
this
her.
has been so important.
Yeah.
This has been so important for my mental health because you realize when the state comes after you and you think you have to do it alone, and then you suddenly turn back and you realize no, it's not, like you are not alone. And then even this
It's
yeah,
yeah,
like a
that's
simple
that's
message.
the test, no, which is what is
Yeah.
it called, the trust fall test, right? Which is
Yeah.
the advantage of building a community instead of a channel, for example, just like
Yeah.
with subscribers, whatever, is
Yeah.
that you can do trust fall exercises. So like you can dare to do like videos, you can dare to do something like this because you know that even if people are not talking, they're watching your content, they're
Yeah.
liking it, right?
Yeah.
They're sometimes like, like not even expressing it, but when the time comes, there will be people who will come up and sort of try to support you when it's required. And this was proof for you.
This was, it was, it
Yeah.
was, it was, it was, and it was. I'm very thankful to you for creating this community and the people who have joined it, because you are like the just say YouTube या फिर social media is like a cesspool. Everybody is like they just because anonymity is a huge yeah na it's a
Luxury.
yeah, it's a luxury. It's a luxury, and people misuse that so much, including the bullying that happens here, the threats that happen here, and in all of that, you guys are like the proof of the system that I'm talking about, where there are individuals who are the good people. So I'm extremely. It's a very humbling and very. It's like it's making me a better person. I didn't think that was possible, but
Because they thought you were perfect.
no, because
That
I was
can't
like,
get
there was nothing
Can't
to
get
be
better.
I don't think I'm perfect. I think I'm always right. That's a
Such
two
a humble
different things.
person, this Dr.
Two
I was
Medusa.
different
joking,
things.
I was
Two
joking,
different
yeah.
things. I don't
Go
think
on.
I'm perfect. I just think that I'm always right. That's a different thing. But the thing is, yeah, that's the thing. It's kind of making me. It has kind of made me into a better person because I want to see the good in people. Which I'll still remain that it's not possible in the right wing. I can't see the good in the right wing at any point of time. Give it any point. But anyway, the point is, what was I saying? I forgot. Yeah, whatever. You guys get it.
Support, like trust
You
fall.
guys
Anyway.
get it. Basically,
Acha,
you guys get it. You
but-
guys have been
but-
wonderful.
okay.
I have been extremely humbled. I have been extremely supported. I feel very supported. And yeah, I don't know what I did to deserve because it's his channel. And then you guys are
No,
supporting
people
me.
here love you. Like, I mean, the
Yes.
Nerd Army loves you. DKD is hosted on this channel, so you are as much of this channel as this channel is for you.
Yeah, you're the
So-
standard host.
Yeah, standard
I'm
host.
the Stepney.
Yeah, Vimo also keeps coming, so it's his channel also.
I'm the Stepney. I'm the guy who's hanging to the back of the jeep. जब मेडुसा पंक्चर हो जाते हैं तो मुझे निकाल के लगा दिया जाता है.
I should rename this channel to Make Nerd and Friends.
Make Nerd and Friends, yes.
Make Nerd and Friends, yeah.
Make Nerd-
MNF.
Mm.
MNF.
But I
You
have
guys,
a,
what is this obsession with making everything into an acronym?
I know. It's very
MNC,
unhealthy. It's very
MNF.
unhealthy. मैं कुछ दिनों पहले एक चैनल शुरू करने जा रहा था जिसका नाम था K3CH. You know what it stands for?
what?
कवि क्या कहना चाहते हैं? I take really long sentences and turn them into abbreviations. I have something wrong with me.
Like the Modi spirit is within you. Like MAGA
Oh my God,
plus MEGA is equal to mega. Next
equal
time
to
you
mega.
come on, you know this. Medusa chehra mat bana. Modi ji
No,
went to
what?
Modi ji went to the US this time, went Doland, and he said, देखिए, you have MAGA, but we have MEGA, Make India Great Again. So what is that? MAGA plus MEGA is equal to mega, which is mega development, mega partnership.
He
I did not know
he should
this.
consider himself
Why?
lucky some
Maybe because
British
I
guy
didn't-
didn't come in. Oh, mega, make England great again.
Make
Also, make America great again, MAGA and MEGA. Why didn't he make it like Mami?
What would Mami be?
मामी मतलब मेक
I don't
अमेरिका,
know, कुछ बना लेता
मेक
उसको।
इंडिया।
वो मागा, अच्छा वो गागा सब कैंसिल हो
मामी
जाएगा ना।
गागा
मागा
नहीं,
कैंसिल हो गया तो मामी हो गया।
मागा मतलब
ई
what?
कहाँ से आया बे? ई कहाँ
अमीन।
से आया?
MAMI
MAGA
हाँ
MIGA कैंसिल हो गया, MAMI
हाँ मामी हो जाएगा।
मामी
मेगा
हो
कहाँ
जाएगा।
से हो गया? ई कहाँ से आया इसमें?
वही तो, ये कहाँ
वही
से
तो बोल
आया?
रहा
वही
है,
तो।
True, very.
That doesn't even make sense. what
Also,
he's
someone
saying.
is saying he was talking about mega engineering. True, true.
What is mega engineering?
Mega engineering is the largest electoral bonds donor to
Oh, yeah,
BJP,
now I remember.
and they are in charge of a lot of infrastructure projects which are dying right now. So, like collapsing, whatever. Acha, guys, before we end this, I have a few things to discuss with you all. Since Vimo is in sannyas and you were out of action,
Yeah.
अच्छा है।
few things that have happened in the world while you were away.
Yes.
Right? First is Elon and Trump का divorce हो गया.
I loved
Thoughts.
हाँ
Loved
वो देखा मैंने, वो
it.
देखा। It was inevitable. It
विमो
was
के साथ-
bound to happen at some point of time.
हाँ मतलब what do you
You
mean?
think so?
Yeah. Listen, the thing you need to understand about the right wing is that they're all miserable people who don't have friends. You guys were talking about the trust fall, right?
Yeah.
They all have broken backs because they did the trust fall and there was no one. So they will always fight each other and break up with each other. It's the right wing of America and the right wing of India cannot be friends because they're fundamentally based on opposing ideology.
Yeah.
वो Hindus को hate करेगा, ये Christians को hate करेगा, they won't be friends.
Hmm.
The left of every country can come together because the foundation is not hatred; it is coming
Yes.
together itself.
Yes.
So greedy people can join hands with greedy people, but greed will take over always.
Yep.
So ये inevitable था, होने वाला था.
मेरे हिसाब से like I think when two narcissistic personalities come together that never works. I was looking at it more individually, right? I was like, Elon is a narcissist, Trump is a narcissist, right? And the other thing I know about Trump, and I know this about Modi ji and every person who is like has like an authoritarian tendency, is that they hate losers, right? If you so when he did that whole Wisconsin race and he lost in that wearing a cheese hat or some shit that he was doing, I think that was it for him. बेसिकली ट्रम्प बोला कि ये हार गया, पैसा वैसा दिया इसने, बट मैं तो अब प्रेसिडेंट है, तू जा यहाँ से.
मेरे को नहीं लगा था, मेरे को नहीं, it was very surprising for me, मेरे को बहुत surprising लगा था, because I thought कि वो जो the scenes of him in the Oval Office and the absolute क्या कहते हैं उसको nonchalance with which he was addressing the press when it was the prime minister's the president उसको address करना था, और वो खड़े होके with his child in his गोद में लेकर उसको वो press को address कर रहा है, तो मुझे लगा कि वो take over कर लिया है उसने, and Trump will be just like a puppet, just like हमारे इधर है. मेरे को लगा जहाँ जैसे हमारे इधर है puppet ने, वैसे उसी तरीके
Trump
से.
is too stupid to be a puppet.
Okay, too stupid
to be a
Yeah.
puppet. Okay.
You need to at least have some ability to accommodate someone, right?
Okay.
He's too effing stupid to be able to do that.
Basically, he's just a puppet with no hole that you can put a hand into.
No, the only thing he can do is wah, I want this, I want that.
So you just pull
Yeah.
the back
No
and he's like,
diplomacy, no
"Wah, wah."
nothing.
Also, I think because of that, he is very unpredictable also ना, बहुत वो है, बहुत volatile है, बहुत it's like a क्या कहते हैं वो जो वो नहीं होते हैं, very
Trigger happy?
trigger happy ना, what is it called? What's a
Volatile is trigger happy.
What's a loose trigger called?
Loose trigger.
Loose trigger.
No, there is a word for it. There's a word for it. Anyway, the point is तो मुझे लगा था कि यहाँ पर जैसे यहाँ पे सिस्टम बहुत बढ़िया है ना, यहाँ पे एकदम बढ़िया से पैसा एक तरफ से आ रहा है, आप उसके हिसाब से सारा एयरपोर्ट बेच दे रहे हो, जमीन ट्राइबल आदिवासियों की जमीन बेच दे रहे हो, धारावी दे रहे हो, ये दे रहे हो, वो दे रहे हो, यहाँ पे जितना ज्यादा कंट्रोल है, I thought that's something that is going to be replicated there, and Trump is going to be completely under control of Elon Musk, and this
Chat is giving the word. It's called loose cannon.
Loose cannon.
Loose
Yes.
cannon is true. Loose cannon is right, but then there is a word
trigger.
associated with trigger. Hair trigger.
Hair trigger. Yeah.
Let's just combine all of it.
Trigger
Loose cannon
happy.
with a loose trigger
Trigger
and
has
a
a
hair
hair trigger.
trigger. Loose cannon with a loose hair trigger.
Hair trigger is the
Hair trigger. Yeah. But
Lose hair.
I mean, so
तो मेरे को लगा था वैसा होगा और दोनों की बहुत दोस्ती होगी एंड अमेरिका पूरा ट्रम्प ये इलॉन मस्क चलाएगा एंड एवरीथिंग बट देन इट टर्न आउट इलॉन मस्क इज आल्सो नॉट वेरी ब्राइट सो इवन द
dude,
while
he's
we were
so stupid, boss.
while
Like, I
we were
mean,
just talking about Musk while we were just talking about Trump being not so very bright, I think Elon Musk also is not very bright.
no, he's not. I mean, like, like
Although he's brighter than Trump.
Maybe he should
he's
listen.
brighter than Trump. Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Without
brighter than
saying
Trump.
anything.
I
Also,
feel like
maybe
it's a
Elon
different
Musk-
kind of intelligence both of them have. I feel like
Huh.
Trump is very good at being content. He's an influencer, right? He's
वो
a
लोग धंधा कर
content
रहे हैं,
creator.
like वो लोग धंधा कर रहे हैं, like all this, like sending troops into Los Angeles
Yeah.
and everything. This is going to so their playbook is the same as our guys' playbook.
Yeah.
What they're doing is that we will create turmoil in the market, and because we are in control of everything, we know where to take money out of and where to put money into. They're doing
Like,
insider trading.
एक
That is
चीज
the goal of it.
yeah.
That is the complete goal of it. इस आदमी को धंधे के अलावा कुछ आता नहीं है. He's a market manipulator and paisa maker. That is all they're doing, all of them together, and all of this, all the fascism is distraction.
That's true.
Fascism इसी से यही से कंट्रोल करोगे.
Yeah.
There is this one thing which I have seen. I don't know if our politicians are as crude or as heartless. Probably they are, but then उतना overtly नहीं दिख पाता है. No, but then again,
Maybe it's just us, like
the
हमारे
kind
लोग
of hate
इतना
speeches.
बुरे नहीं हो सकते वो type of.
हाँ नहीं also नहीं now I think of it the kind of hate speeches that people have given तो ऐसा नहीं है सेम ही है but अभी मैंने कुछ बहुत सारे because the Los Angeles में वो troops के आने के बाद बहुत सारे videos ऐसे सामने आ रहे थे ना also the bill which was the big beautiful bill which they introduced
Yeah.
and which talked about
Yeah.
healthcare and everything तो उसमें मैं debate नहीं discussion type का हो रहा था उसमें this guy is like do you think everybody should have healthcare and the other person the young woman in front of him is like yeah and like even illegal immigrants and she's like yeah how is this even controversial you're like you think illegal immigrants should have healthcare she's like do you think that illegal immigrants because they're illegal immigrants should just die and he's like what's wrong in that and इस तरीके का जो mindset है ना that people deserve to die because they are illegal aliens is the word which he used not even immigrants this is kind of mentality that people deserve to die people deserve to not have health care people deserve to not have something which a country offers to its legalized citizens that is very very scary और मुझे लगा यार how is this it's like I don't want to equate the two situations but the kind of things which Israeli says when they talk about babies in Gaza being killed and they're like they'll grow up and become terrorists so they should be killed so
ये हमारे देश में भी हमने बहुत बार सुने हैं like
हाँ.
every time some conversation I've heard this line so many times about
yeah. तो ये चीज ना जो उनका नॉनशलांस है कि नहीं होना चाहिए मर जाना चाहिए सब लोगों को ये लोग मर जाए तो अच्छा है क्या जरूरत है मर गया तो बढ़िया है इसे ये मत को मुझे समझ में नहीं लाइक what kind of like how devoid of humanity are you how well, मुझे बहुत मतलब it's like something I cannot
But that's one of the traits of authoritarian sort of leadership that they believe in dehumanization or they're very unempathetic towards actual people, right?
Listen, I found this. I saw this quote on a blog post some days ago. It's by J.K. Galbraith. It says, quote, "The modern conservative is engaged in one of man's oldest exercises in moral philosophy. That is, the search for a superior moral justification for selfishness. Their entire intellectual environment is devoted to the singular task of finding justifications for selfishness. They're
That's
here
interesting.
everywhere."
That's interesting. That's interesting.
This is actually very interesting because like one of the other things that has happened in this period of your absence is this of course the India Pakistan thing happened and uske baad diplomatic disaster hua but there has been a fallout over
Are we ready? Are we allowed to call it diplomatic disaster also?
Yeah. It was
Yeah.
a diplomatic
Now it is quite
disaster
a bit of a
because
concern.
otherwise they wouldn't have sent like 50 MPs on like a world tour to fix it, right?
Yeah.
And obviously, like I think people have to. I think after a point, the Indian government also realized कि कितना ही deny करेंगे. Let's just work towards it and accept it and try to fix it. And I think that was like a for a change smart thing to do for them. But my thing is, over the last few years, I feel like just our image has been changing a lot worldwide. I did a video on this channel recently, and it's connected to what Vimo is saying, right? entire point is to work selfishly. Like, I mean, or like the entire ideology is around justifying selfishness. I feel like हमारे यहाँ पे ना वो एक core quality है. इंडिया में ये core quality है कि oh, if you are not selfish, you will be taken advantage of. तुझे तेरा देखना है, right? तुझे you have to basically, so again Medusa, तेरा जो हुआ problem, the fact that you had convinced yourself that तेरे पास कोई नहीं आएगा, but suddenly when people came to support you, you got overwhelmed, is because बचपन से बताया गया ना कि तेरे लिए कोई नहीं आने वाला.
Hyper independence.
Yeah,
I saw
hyper.
your video on this. It was very well made. Like the whole why the world hates Indians kind of.
Yeah.
Very nice points. Very well put.
Thank you, Vimo. Thank you. But yeah, thoughts. Like there is this Malik Swashbuckler thing that also happened where Turkey में कोई influencer
Yeah, I
arrest
saw
हो
that
गया.
video. I saw that video.
Yeah.
I saw that video. मेरे को तो देख, as far as that particular video is concerned, and that particular kind of videos is concerned, because I think I saw another one by another guy. I don't know his name. दाढ़ी बहुत है और वो हरियाणवी लैंग्वेज में बात करता है, एंड ये उसके भी ऐसे वीडियो से, वो वेनिस का वीडियो था और वो वेनिस में जा रहा है, उसमें वो जो गोंडोला है उसमें जा रहा है, एंड देन देयर आर वुमेन ऑन व्हाइल ही इज क्रॉसिंग
On a bridge. Yeah.
हाँ, और ऊपर औरतें महिलाएं हैं और ही इज लाइक कि आजा आजा बैठ जा, गोदी में बैठ जा, इसमें बैठ जा, ऐसा ऐसा करके बस उतना ही मैं आई कुडंट बेयर इट फॉर ओनली दैट अमाउंट.
उतना ही है, क्लिप उतना ही है.
हाँ, एंड है अच्छा. तो एंड ऑल्सो वो स्क्रोलिंग के टाइम पे दिखा था. ऑल्सो आई कपल ऑफ इयर्स अगो आई सॉ ये वाला जो इस तरीके का जो वीडियो है ना कि ऐसे लड़कियों से इस तरीके से बात करना और फिर वो वीडियो डालना, ये एक वो ये आई थिंक इट्स अ ट्रेंड काइंड ऑफ, इट्स लाइक थिंग्स व्हिच दीस गाइज डू. देयर आर वीडियो, बहुत सारे ऐसे वीडियो
Yeah.
It's
Japanese women के
I've
साथ
seen a
Korean-
bunch of these. Yeah.
कोरियन लड़कियों के साथ ऐसे बात करते हुए और फिर ये मतलब बेसिकली मिसोजिनिस्टिक था. तो मेरे को बहुत सारी ये इस पर्टिकुलर ट्रेंड का और इसका वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट रीजंस व्हिच आई थिंक इज पेट्रियार्की, बिकॉज यहाँ पर इन मर्दों को इंडिया में पेट्रियार्की ने इतनी छूट दे रखी है और इतना
खुले सांड
मतलब इनको कुछ भी कर लो तुम, तुम्हारा क्या होएगा. Boys will
Like
be
they cannot even conceive of the possibility that someone might hold them accountable for it.
yes, they cannot conceive of it.
Like mind में आता ही नहीं है.
और या फिर it can be even offensive to someone.
Yeah.
To call them these things, to say them these things, it is the power that they derive from speaking to for example, this Malik guy only, the power that he derived from speaking to her in the language, and I don't know if you guys noticed it or not, that he said एक जगह वो बोलता है कि नहीं कुछ करना चाहता हूँ, and then he says नहीं पर इसके लिए मुझे पहले आपको पिलाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. The whole rape mentality behind this kind of a sentence, behind this kind of a planning, कि आपको पता है कि आप क्या कर रहे हो, and then and you are so confident in talking about this out loud and on video and putting it out for millions of people to see. That kind of confidence cannot come anywhere else other than Indian patriarchy.
I wonder about one thing, like when you said ki it does not cross their mind that they might be hurting someone. I think they do know that they're hurting someone.
And they still
like
do it because they want to do it. Yeah.
This has gone far beyond innocence. This is at a point where cruelty is being seen as a virtue.
It is.
Like ये तो फिर भी reels है, right? I saw a couple of things where like we have a mind-blowingly large scam culture about which plenty has been said. मेघनाथ के वीडियो में बोला था. I have seen this happen with respect to, like, there is a platform which says ki, hey guys, we pay writers, but we don't want people to write using AI and publish it because that would be unfair to the human writers who are like sharing their life experiences and everything. So there are literal videos in India by Indian content creators who are like, guys, आप ये वाला tool use कर सकते हैं, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलेगा, आप चाहे तो Google से उठा सकते हैं. These are public videos on YouTube teaching their audience scams.
True.
So it's not like they don't know it's wrong,
Okay.
but they think they're doing something cool by going around it.
Yeah.
And I don't know who it was. Whose video was it about scams and stuff?
Scam baiter.
Ha. So you quoted a few of them.
I quoted a few of
right?
them.
You
Yeah.
quoted a few of them, and they pointed out quite frequently that the scammers, they know that they're committing crimes. They know that they're doing something wrong, there was a YouTuber I found who was doing this scammy kind of stuff. Hey guys, ChatGPT करके किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. A guy, an Indian guy, left a comment under it कि because of people like you, we all are getting a bad name, and he justifies it. What's wrong with making some money?
Yeah. Yeah.
But
So
where
वो
did this come from? And so my thing is
Unemployment.
बचपन से unemployment.
patriarchy.
Patriarchy,
Everything
unemployment.
boils down to patriarchy.
Casteism also to a large extent.
कास्टिज्म में भी पेट्रियार्की आ जाएगा मेरे
हाँ,
भाई.
हाँ, हाँ.
मेरे भाई हर जगह आ जाएगा. Because it's-
Intersectionality in discrimination.
Yes, intersectionality and discrimination. That's वो तो है ही.
Yeah.
So this see one more thing.
They
which I
are
wanted to
proud
talk
of doing this. That's
Very
actually
proud.
true.
रुक,
Yeah.
एक सेकंड रुक मेरी बात सुन. ये जो पेट्रियार्की वाला जो वो है ना एंगल है, this is not just, it does not just come, अभी तो कास्टिज्म बोला तो मैं वही आ रही है. तो उसमें पेट्रियार्की ने तो तुमको बता दिया कि तुमको भैया छू नहीं सकता, तुम मर्द हो और ऊपर से अपर कास्ट मर्द हो, तो तुमको कौन छुएगा इस देश में. तुम जो करना है करो, जिसको उठाना है उठा के ले जाओ, जिसको पिलाना है पिलाओ, पिलाने के बाद जिसके साथ जो करना है करो. इट्स लाइक कंप्लीटली यू आर फ्री. Another thing which that has I think a couple of days ago only, I think 2-3 days ago, Brute ने एक video किया है about this guy, Indian guy who has been deported from UK because he was speaking to a 14-year-old and asking for their naked pictures, and then of course he was
I saw that.
yeah, but he was baited, and then he gets caught, and he's like, I realized the moment I realized I wrong, and I stopped it. And like the police woman is like, what is common between you and a 14-year-old? He's like, no, just to say hi, just to like, why? This whole thingy, na, have you ever, like, you guys are men, so you are men, so you probably have never had just random hi messages on Facebook or Orkut or ever.
But not in the same way that you would. Essentially.
Yeah, it's a random hi के messages इतने ज़्यादा होते थे, and when you reply to them, because initially you don't know, तुम्हें पता नहीं होता दुनिया कैसी है, तो तुम reply करते हो, तो then the things they become very worse. Every single woman in the world has had an experience like that. तो वो है. And then do you remember the guy who was arrested? Like there are hundreds of people who have been arrested. And ये जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जिसको conviction हुआ था, and because he assaulted or
yeah multiple women,
and
right?
And the court was like कि no, you
Yeah, the
can't
BJP
really
guy.
blame him because it's in his culture.
What?
Yeah. There was an
That is
Australian High
particularly
Court.
disgusting.
Yeah, the
Like,
Australian High Court.
Feel so ashamed of this.
Yeah, the Australian High Court उसको बरी कर दिया था Australian High Court ने कि उसको तुम blame नहीं कर सकते. That's also something
Because it's a part of the culture.
Yeah, the
It
guys
was part of his legal defense.
Yes, the guy's legal defense
Yeah,
gave this
he had
argument.
presented
that
it.
We can't really, we don't know the difference between sexual assault and consent and no consent because हमारे culture में ही नहीं है ये चीज. And it was accepted, and then he was not convicted. He was deported, but he was not convicted. It's an actual case going ये.
Holy shit, guys! What the hell?
Yeah, there was a doctor in the UK who अपने nurse को वो messages भेजता था, खराब message भेजता था. The nurse told him a number of times, very point blank, and then of course the nurse was like, she lost it because he was like कि नहीं ये तो जितना लड़की मना करेगी, playing hard to get. There were screenshots, हाँ, जिसमें वो doctor लिख रहा है playing hard to get, हाँ, ऐसे करके. She replies very nicely that listen, I am not playing hard to get. I am not interested in you. I am engaged. I have a fiance. I do not want this to go any further. If you message me again, I will take this to the authorities. And of course, he doesn't take that as a possibility, and he keeps on messaging her and keeps on sending her like lewd pictures. So she obviously goes to the authorities, and then this guy loses his license, something which he has worked for 9 years. वो वहीं पे यूके का ही में ही पढ़ा था, वहां पे ही उसने MD किया था. And then of course he loses his license and then he argues कि मुझे तो पता नहीं था, I was just I just wanted to convince her and this that.
Oh my god, yeah.
Of course thankfully he lost that case and he did not get his license back, and then his career is over because see that's the thing. यहाँ पे अगर वो होते तो आपने इतना mollycoddle करके रखा है, यहाँ पे बेचारे के करियर के बारे में सोचो, तुमको तो सिर्फ मैसेज ही तो किया ना, सिर्फ फोटो
एक बार तो कोर्ट ने भी बोल दिया था about some boy कि उसका फ्यूचर बर्बाद हो जाएगा.
फ्यूचर बर्बाद हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे तो चलता ही रहता है. And plus the thing is, you look at this guy MJ Akbar, you look at these other people who have been like not convicted but accused of sexual assault, वो क्या फर्क पड़ गया उनके करियर में? So यहाँ नहीं होता ये चीज, but बाहर होता है. In the same way, do you remember अभी recently हुआ है एक कैलिफोर्निया में, टेक्सास में या कहाँ, this guy, Indian guy who was convicted of hate crimes against the Sikh community?
Uh,
टेक्सास में या कैलिफोर्निया में, दोनों में से
Happened so
किसी.
many times I don't remember.
या अभी दिस इज दो हफ्ते पहले का, विद इन 2 weeks का न्यूज है. सो दिस गाय, ही आई थिंक ही टॉक्ड अबाउट बीइंग इन द फूड ऑफ द सिक पीपल और समथिंग लाइक दैट, पोस्टेड ऐसा करके वो फेसबुक पे या कहीं टिकटॉक पे कहीं मैसेज था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स ही इज कन्विक्टेड. तो किसी ने उस न्यूज के नीचे किसी ने लिखा कि इसको लगा कि ये इंडिया में है. एंड दैट सिंगल सेंटेंस,
yeah.
that single sentence, it encompasses everything.
Yeah, Osiris. So I think, I should read this because Osiris is also saying something similar. It is
Yeah.
patriarchy, casteism, false pride all lead to a jugaad culture, shortcut culture, a culture to make a quick buck at someone else's expense, all supported by a culture of zero accountability because you can bribe or use contacts to get away with anything.
Yep.
It's basically that, yeah, which is हमारे यहाँ पे consequences और accountability नाम की कोई चीज ही बची नहीं है basically. And it's so sad because you know the thing which I said in that video also, that there are nice people. I want to be known as a nice person. I want to be known as a polite, kind, nice person who is
No, that's all Western
non-aggressive.
stuff.
Huh?
That's all Western stuff.
That's on Western influence.
No, also it's weak apparently. Western छोड़ दो. हमारे
Yeah,
यहाँ
you're
पे
a
it's
simp.
considered weak, right? Which is such a weird thing.
What is this? What is this?
American
behavior going on?
conservatives
Are
say
you-
there's
what
this
is this
word called soy boy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Soy boy. Yes.
What's
yes.
the soy boy?
It's apparently a weak man.
Apparently
So
there is
what
this
makes the soy
there is
boy?
this conspiracy
Because he
theory.
eats soy
I'll
or
tell you, there is
something.
this as far as I know, there is this conspiracy theory that Asian people have become unmanly and their sizes are small because they eat a lot of soy sauce. And the thing is, soy sauce is killing masculinity in men. So
Yeah.
therefore, if you see a weak man, he is now a soy boy.
Soy boy.
So मुझे बहुत
Not
मिले
even soy
comments by
man.
the way. Soy boy.
Soy
Is that
man
like an
नहीं हो
age
पाएगा,
reduction thing?
because-
कोई बुढ़ा अगर पोलाइट बन गया तो वो soy boy बन
How
जाएगा
can you
instantly.
be a man? You're
No,
not
man तो
manly.
ही नहीं ना, because the man
soy
itself
boy.
था.
Yeah, boy से man हो ही नहीं पाया वो.
Also soy के साथ boy rhyme करता है. Man
Exactly.
करेंगे तो कुछ और करना पड़ेगा.
Exactly.
Non-man.
Exactly.
Soy man would be like somebody who fights crime using soy.
Acha, a final topic I
Like
want your
banana man.
comments on, guys. Then
Yeah.
we will end this. But
I have a question though.
Okay, go
Before you end, I will ask.
हाँ, नहीं तू पूछना पहले फिर उस पे
I have
जाएंगे.
this doubt. I didn't keep up with the issue. Why was Shashi Tharoor under fire?
Yes. So Shashi
Because
Tharoor
they've
was
been very pally with BJP.
so
So that is why.
yeah, apparently the reason why, okay, there are a few things that happened. One is that BJP saw that there has been a diplomatic disaster, so and the opposition was asking for a special session, right? And one of the loudest voice doing that was Shashi Tharoor also, by the way.
Okay.
So they set up this 50-member committee and sent them away. I feel like the whole reason was they didn't want to do the special session. So तुम लोग जाओ junket पे सब के सब party वाले, right? Went there. Then Tharoor was sent to the US. But before they sent people, BJP asked the other parties, ki, who do you want us to include in this? So Congress, TMC, everyone sent names. BJP took none of them. They picked anybody who they wanted anyway. And Congress was asked, ki, oh, why didn't you suggest Shashi Tharoor's name? And they were like, oh, he's the external affairs committee head, so we thought he would be included by default. Some random reason. So Congress में भी बवाल चल रहा है. So now Shashi Tharoor goes to the US and he starts praising the current government constantly while he is dissing Pakistan, right? Now, Tharoor is a very erudite man. He can like diplomatically weave his way and get away
Yeah.
with a lot of things, etc. But of course, Congress वालों को भी nuance समझ में नहीं आया, BJP वालों को भी समझ में नहीं आया. BJP वाले started saying Tharoor is joining BJP. What an amazing guy. We should totally acquire him like an asset. And इसमें कांग्रेस वाले जो dumbasses थे उनको nuance समझ में नहीं आया. They're like, अरे how dare he do this? And Tharoor constantly was saying कि भाई, I'm representing India. I don't give a shit about the government there right now. I'm representing my national interests, etc. It came to a point where Tejasvi Surya had to clarify, by the way, in one of his interactions, where Tejasvi Surya said that, one thing I know about because the reporter asked him ki your party leader is calling Modi surrender Modi, right? Or like cursing Modi. How are you here justifying this and whatever? It's a sneaky question. Tejasvi Surya came to his defense saying that, if I know one thing about Dr. Tharoor, he says India first. I know he means India first. I've known him for a while and he will never compromise on his ideals about, what he thinks about the nation. So, and then Tharoor is laughing. I'm like, ye ho kya raha hai? Right? So,
Tharoor was laughing because he's like, okay, if you want to save my reputation, please shut up.
Yeah.
yeah.
You are not
You
a person
saying this
whose
is making things
endorsement.
worse.
Yeah.
You are not a person whose endorsement I require.
Yeah. But that is the answer to your question, Vimo.
Okay.
I
Thank
hope
you.
That was clarification enough. ड्रामा कितना फॉलो करता हूँ ना मैं, मजा आता है मुझे कभी कभी. Anyway, the last thing I want your guys' comments on is the caste census. Right? See, this is me doing like a rapid fire version of DKD, which we missed out on for the last month. Caste census. Rahul Gandhi has been saying caste census for a while. Finally, BJP is now doing a census, and uske saath they're doing a caste census. Thoughts, guys, thoughts.
I'm glad it's happening. I'm glad it's happening, regardless of why. I don't really have much to say. I'll just let Medusa speak. But I'm just glad that it is happening. कौन करता फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जो डाटा आता है, it should be transparent, and we should get a clear picture of the structure of our society.
So I am extremely happy that it is happening. Although, having said that, I have doubts on whether it will happen or not. They have announced it, but I don't know how much intention they have of doing it, even though they have announced the census also, which was again 27 में announce किया ना,
27 में होने वाला है, हाँ, will be
27
released,
में
yeah.
census announce किया है. So I'm very, very intrigued by the timing of it, and I am upset why there is no more discussion about the timing of it and the very
Timing being Bihar elections की वजह से, right?
yeah वो तो वही. And then also कि मतलब आप you have vocally spoken against the caste census. You have this party has
But
been
that their followers don't care.
देखो उन्होंने अर्बन नक्सल कहा लोगों को जो कास्ट
चले
सेंसस
उनके
हाँ,
उनको कोई
जो
फर्क नहीं पड़ता. These are people who are like आज एक्स बोला कल नॉट एक्स बोलेगा तो उसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए कुछ ना कुछ चैट
That's
जीपीटी
true.
जनरेट करके डाल देंगे
I
ट्विटर
swear,
पे. उनको दो पैसे का फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Like, see,
These guys have
again,
transcended reality.
this is again bringing the rage monster
It's actually
back.
sorry. Medusa, I just random thought I got based on what Vimo said. It's actually a very clever thing to do, which is right. Yesterday you are saying मुझे caste census पसंद नहीं है, आज बोल रहे हो कि मुझे caste census पसंद है based on your leader saying it, because that way nobody can hold them accountable, right?
Yeah.
Because then you don't know what they believe in. Like पहले ये बोला था, अब ये बोला था, कभी भी पलटी मार देंगे.
पलटी मारते हैं.
Accountability
Like,
नहीं
the
सकते.
reason I said they have transcended reality is because वो जो होता है ना cause and effect कि हम ये करेंगे तो लोग अच्छा बोलेंगे, ये करेंगे तो लोग बुरा बोलेंगे. It has stopped mattering with their
Yeah.
followers. They are beyond reality now.
Yeah.
Nothing matters. खाली मतलब like and then there was light बोल दिया universe create हो गया. It is on that level.
It's a cult basically. I
Yeah.
think it's a cult.
This is religiosity at its finest.
Yeah, I'm going to make a video on how cults function and how cults start, and then I'm going to say that this is the BJP or something like that. I'm going to make it. Yeah, I'm going to make it like this is the right way. This is how right wing functions.
It's also
Like, I'm going to make it into satire so that people are not able to say कि अच्छा ये इसके बारे में बोल रही है, उसके बारे में बोल रही है, type से.
There'll be a shadow on the wall when she makes it. It'll be her lawyer.
basically it's like as I said in that video also, escapism है ना पूरा कि you don't want to think about things anymore. I feel like a lot of people just don't want to think about things anymore, and which kind of distresses me to a
नहीं,
large
पता है,
extent.
escapism नहीं, this is पता है, मुझे लगता है कि this is hatred pro max kind of a thingy. Like you hate something so much that it doesn't matter whether it makes sense or not. You are going to hold on to that hatred किसी भी तरीके से.
So, like in this case, Medusa, like the
हाँ.
caste census thing, for example, right? Now, Modi yesterday was saying कि ये urban नक्सल वाले लोग हैं जो caste census मांग रहे हैं. Now Modi is saying caste census best census, right?
best
In this case, who are the followers hating exactly?
नो आई एम सेइंग कि मुझे वो उसके बारे में नहीं बोल रही हूँ. मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप इस देश में मुसलमानों से इतनी नफरत करते हो कि उनको सो कॉल्ड जगह पे रखने वाली पार्टी बीजेपी है और उस वो अब कुछ भी कहेगी, कुछ भी बोलेगी, even though you fundamentally have been against it or have been talking against it in such a long time, you are going to justify it.
Fair.
So by basically, for me, I think right now the main basis of this division of like caste तो 3000 साल से है, ठीक है? Casteism is a problem in our country, but the current problem and the very vocal, very visible problem which a particular party, which the BJP has been using to control the narrative, is Islamophobia, right? So उसमें आपने उसको वो आपको मेन धारा है, उस मेन धारा के लिए आपका जो अब वो आपकी एकदम क्या कहते हैं उसको contemporary something is like the latest thing that you are using, the latest update, the iOS update that you have on your phone is of Islamophobia, ठीक? तो but then उस वजह से आपको उसको टैकल करने के लिए और उसको उस चीज को प्रमुख बना के रखने के लिए आपको जो भी करना पड़े आप करोगे. मुझे वो लगता है, मुझे लगता है कि
The
बेसिक
fear is that if they do the caste census, maybe they will try to draw a divide between Hindu oppressed caste and Muslim oppressed caste and create उधर भी कुछ और drama.
बिल्कुल मुझे तो
Which is why I said it should be transparent.
वो तो हो ही गया था already because I distinctly remember this one graphic जिसमें somebody I think somebody had claimed that मुसलमानों में caste नहीं होता टाइप से, तो they were like वो उसने डाला था कि देखो हिंदू में ये कास्ट होता है, मुसलमानों की ये कास्ट होती है, मुसलमानों में ये दलित होता है, मुसलमानों में ये होता है, and it was a right wing account who had given that. मैंने कहा यार तुम लोग को बड़ा पता है, तुम्हें बड़ा पता है कि मुसलमान में कौन कास्ट का अपर कास्ट है, कौन कास्ट लोअर कास्ट है. So
Yeah, but there is a caste system in Muslims also.
Yeah.
Although the fact of the matter is that if you are going to look for the origin of it, you know that the subcontinent got the caste system from which religion?
It's the cultural it's a yes, obviously
It transcends religion in fact.
It transcends
अभी recently केरला या कहीं पे हुआ था ना Christians के बीच में like I don't know who did the story, but I think it was BBC about 4 years ago, and they're like we don't want to give up our scheduled caste certificate just because we are Christian, because we still get discriminated against not only by upper caste Hindus but also by upper caste Christians.
By upper caste Christians.
Like graveyard में partition है, यहाँ पे ये लोग दफनाए जाएंगे, यहाँ पे ये लोग दफनाए जाएंगे.
तो वो वाला system, तो मुझे as far as the caste system, the census is concerned, I would be very happy if that happens, but it remains to be seen.
Remains to be seen because one of the things that I realized after looking at this whole caste
also
census
it remains to be seen about the actual census also.
That's what I'm saying. So
if they do the census, they'll have to do the 33% wala.
Abhi, so I think he went to Bihar, Rahul Gandhi, right? Usme, I think now most of his speeches have like a element of caste census karna hai, kyun kar rahe, all the things. It's like for years now he's been doing it and it's very effective. Like he's just staying on message constantly. One of the things that he said, which I found very interesting, which has started to come up now recently, is that he said that, listen, I am not prescribing what to do after the caste census happens. I'm not giving any policy reform. I just want to see the data. I just want to see the wealth disparity. I just want to see the caste disparity based on caste. I want to see कि कितने लोग मीडिया में है, कितने लोग कॉर्पोरेट में है, किसके पास ज्यादा wealth है, किसके पास कम wealth है, because he is linking. I know what his thought is. He's
also
linking
land ownership. Land ownership का disparity is going to be huge.
Like हमारे यहाँ पे जो inequality के levels है, like I mean it's not just wealth and income inequality, right? It is also like an inequality of your identity, right? It is basically a very casteist way of like you know dividing up society, and वो reflect हो रहा है in other inequality indexes also. So his angle is that. But what I really find very interesting now is that ठीक है तुम caste census कर लोगे, right? तुम let's say they do it properly, pressure की वजह से, नीतीश कुमार की वजह से, if he's alive and if he's sane, या किसी की वजह से.
नीतीश कुमार की वजह से क्या है?
नीतीश कुमार is
पहली
like
बार उसने किया था ना? पहली बार उसने किया था बिहार वाला.
हाँ उसी ने like pressure.
But I don't think he has the wherewithal, political or
whatever
mental.
reason, in an ideal universe, let's say they do it properly.
Okay.
My thing is there anyone capable of coming up with reform? I doubt it. I doubt anybody will be able to take the next step, because caste reform, which is reform in will involve reform in reservations also. And now you need like speakers who understand nuance, intersectionality, inequality, all those things, who are able to convey it to a population so that they don't explode
Yeah.
when it comes to reform. Like हमारे यहाँ पे बॉस मराठा एजुटेशन से लेके पाटीदार एजुटेशन होते हैं, जहाँ पे like परसेंटेज बढ़ाने के ऊपर घर जलाए जाते हैं, राइट हो जाता है, whatever. In this society, I'm wondering if there is anyone who can actually talk about reform and caste reform in a way that everybody would agree with, or at least a large chunk of people will agree with. I doubt it. So मुझे फॉलआउट का ज्यादा डर है इसके. आई थिंक कास्ट सेंसस होना चाहिए, बट उसका फॉलआउट आई डोंट नो.
What kind of a fallout are you fearing? Like the most tame fallout is that nothing. They do the census, but they don't take
And
any
nothing
action on
happens.
it.
That
But
is the
is there a
least
worst case
amount
scenario?
of my worst case scenario is basically like they do this. Let's say they do the caste census, etc., and then BJP lets it go, right? Congress comes in and actually tries to do some reform, and that leads to a worse form of BJP, which is also a casteist,
Oh, that
weirdest
see, that is going to happen
BJP.
no matter what happens. If BJP goes, if BJP stays, it'll grow. It'll go bad slowly. If BJP goes and then comes back, it'll be 3 times bad, and it'll come as a major shock to him. Like what? Look at what happens
Trump.
with Trump.
Yeah.
Right. So last time he left with an attempted insurrection. Now he's sending actual troops like a fascist, proper fascist.
Dude, he's
into
doing a
Los
military parade on his birthday. Did you see?
Yeah.
Crazy. Like he's just
आई थिंक वो हमको यूज करेगा जस्टिफिकेशन के लिए. ये लोग 26 साल 70 साल से कर रहे हैं लोग.
no, and like I mean, he did say that कि oh, other countries have parades. Why can't we have a parade? We have the best military. We should show
We
it off
started
also.
it because Soviet Russia used to do it.
Yeah.
It was
I mean, I know.
Nehru's idea.
No, मेरा ये theory है कि Trump went and met Kim Jong Un, got really jealous of him, and then now he's trying to do the same thing to America. It's very
मुझे भी
weird.
गठिया चाहिए.
Oh, did you guys see? Did you guys see that phone from North Korea?
Phone from North Korea?
Have you guys not seen that video? So somebody smuggled a phone out of North Korea.
And what is it?
A phone.
I got it. Yeah.
Yeah. So the itself, like the amount of censorship which is in the phone itself. So you cannot, for example, if you have seen Korean TV series or anything at any point of time, you have heard the word oppa.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mhm.
Oppa.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oppa is a boyfriend.
Oppa Gangnam Style.
Big brother, big
No,
friend.
that's Oppam
It's like
Gangnam
a
Style.
Huh.
Oppam. That's
Oppam?
Oppam.
Oh, it's a
That's
different thing?
different.
Acha.
That's
Huh.
different. Oppa is different. Oppa is what you call like a baby. Baby.
Okay. हाँ.
Okay. So oppa is her boyfriend. However, the word oppa in Korean means a sibling. All right.
Okay.
No, that's
So
what I'm
the-
saying. It's big brother, right?
Yes, it means sibling in Korean.
Huh.
But now it has been used. It is now used as oppa, as a
Like a
boyfriend
daddy,
in-
like that
like a
sort of a
sign.
thing. Yeah.
So the phone changes whenever the moment you say oppa, you use the word oppa, it changes the word oppa to big brother or big sister, and there is a warning which is sent to your phone which says that this word is only supposed to be used for siblings and not for boyfriends or not for romantic interest. Okay, and then the phone takes a screenshot every 5 minutes, and the phone stores the screenshot in its memory. You cannot delete that screenshot, you cannot change that screenshot, you cannot nothing. It takes a screenshot every 5 minutes, and then there are other things like when you write South Korea in your messages or anywhere, it changes the name South Korea to puppet state. So it gives you
wow.
it gives you warnings about like the words that you are using. Certain words you are supposed to use, certain words you are not supposed to use, and the whole screenshot wala thingy. I was like, what the hell?
Dude, यहाँ पे हो गया ना, तो if you
Yeah.
write Narendra Modi, it will turn into Shri Sir Supreme Leader,
Supreme Leader.
I'm
Adarniya
just trying to
Narendra Ji
imagine
Modi Ji.
Medusa as an Instagrammer in North Korea. He'll be sitting in a
Insane.
corner crying with the phone. मैंने क्या बनाया था
No,
ये
no,
क्या
I'll be
छप
dead.
गया?
I'll be dead because
No,
I'm
no,
not in
your
the corner crying,
Dukhdarshan,
guys. I
your
will probably make
Dukhdarshan
a video and I'll
is
be dead.
your Dukhdarshan is full on North Korean, but just that it's real news there.
Yeah,
That's the
it's
thing.
real
It's
news.
not satire
So
because
maybe I will survive. Maybe I will survive.
she will be a great news reader. She will be like Oppa,
Yeah.
but only for the supreme leader. It's like-
Acha, I found that book by the way.
हाँ,
It's a
Yeah.
science
Sure,
fiction
sure.
anthology.
हाँ.
It's called The Bluffed Book of Anti-Caste Science Fiction.
Oh wow,
It's
interesting.
like imagining Dalit futures. Like there is black futurism of the variety which is Black Panther. There's a Dalit futurism. So they
Oh.
imagine futures where caste does not exist, or there are very sensitive stories written by Dalit authors, etc. So it's a compilation of short stories as well as comic strips. It's
Okay.
very cool.
Okay.
Okay, that's
Please get
Interesting.
it.
Send
Okay,
me-
yeah,
send me
yeah.
a,
Who is the
yeah.
author? Or is it like
It's edited by R.T. Samuel, Rakesh K, and Rashmi R.D. It's called the
Okay.
Bluffed Book of Anti-Caste SF.
okay?
Ek
Fine.
second.
I'll send you guys the link. I'll send
Tell me, is
Meghna
the
the link. You
blast-
can put
I'll put it
video
in the
also.
description.
Yeah,
No?
just send me. Yeah, please just do that.
I'll do that. Yeah. But
No, no.
glad you're back, Dr. Medusa. We've
yep.
missed you, and please keep
Thank you.
coming.
Thank you very much.
And looking forward to seeing your documentation finally come out someday of the content you made, which I'm
That's gonna come. That's
expect.
gonna come baad mein.
Yeah,
That's
I
gonna
understood.
come after the resolution
I
of the
understand.
whole
Yeah.
thing.
And also,
So-
thank you, Vimo, for coming out
Yeah.
of your sannyas for this.
And I was not on sannyas. I'm just listen, guys. I'm not on sannyas.
Still guy.
I'm publishing
He's just
videos
a
on
still
YouTube.
guy.
Every week I'm publishing 3 or 4 videos.
Yeah.
I'm publishing more than Meghna this.
Yeah.
I have only stopped doing live streams and I have left social media. That is all.
That's sannyas only.
Sannyas. Thank you for coming out of your sannyas, Vimo. Completely ignoring what you just. No. His videos are excellent. I watch them all the time. I do watch your videos, Vimo.
Thank you.
But okay. So thank you. Good night, Shabba Khair, all friends.
Thank you.
Bye
Good
bye.
night, Shabba Khair.
Good
All
night.
friends, goodbye.
Bye. Bye.